What's up guys, Brandy Car here, back with another video. Today we're back on the Diecast reviews. This is Corey LaJoie's Take 5 Oil Change DuraMax 1/64 scale Diecast. This is the car he ran in the Daytona 500, and nowadays it's become pretty hard to find. I bought this from a website called Pyramid Racing Collectibles. I believe it was the last one that they had in stock. So, yeah, if you were looking to buy it from that website, sorry. But, with that out of the way, let's take it out of the box. This plastic bag was a lot harder to open than expected. But, oh well. Here is the diecast out of the box. Here's the front. Here's the side. DuraMax liquid armor. Take 5. I see Celsius for performance, Dryden, and that little, I guess, copper circle behind the number. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Someone who's more knowledgeable than me can let me know in the comments. And also, the yellow rims. Very rarely do we see colored rims on Cup cars. Not even Penske is doing them anymore, which is a shame, but good to see that some teams are still doing it. Here's the back. Red spoiler. At least the back of it. The front is still black. Right side, pretty much same as the left. Here's the top, Take 5, DuraMax, and here's the bottom. My second Corey LaJoie diecast that I own, and the first Rick Ware Racing diecast that I own. So, yeah, I will be using this in my stop motion series, so just like in real life NASCAR, Corey LaJoie is going to get booted from the 7 and move to Rick Ware, except instead of the 51, he's jumping directly to the 01. I really like how this diecast looks. Paint scheme is a simple one, but I like it. And the colored rims are a nice touch. This was my review of Corey LaJoie's 2025 Take 5 DuraMax diecast. If you want to see more of me, be sure to follow all my socials, like my Twitter, my Instagram, and join my Discord server. Links to all those are in the description down below. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel for more NASCAR content. While you're at it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you all so much for watching. That's it for me. Peace.